Traveling to Europe can be an exciting and enriching experience, but it's often perceived as an expensive endeavor. However, with some smart planning and a willingness to explore budget-friendly options, you can enjoy the beauty, culture, and history of Europe without breaking the bank. In this guide, we'll outline 15 practical tips to help you make the most of your European adventure while staying within your budget. Before proceeding to the video detail, make sure you have subscribed to my channel, Budget Ventures. More videos like this will be coming soon here. 1. Plan your trip. During off-peak seasons. Traveling during the shoulder seasons, which typically fall in spring, April to early June, and fall, September to early November, can offer several advantages. Not only are flights and accommodations often cheaper, but you'll also encounter fewer crowds at popular tourist attractions. Plus, the weather can still be quite pleasant during these times. 2. Be flexible with your travel dates. Flexibility in your travel schedule can save you a substantial amount of money. Use flight search engines and fare comparison tools to explore different date options. Sometimes flying a day or two before or after your original plan can result in significant fare reductions. 3. Consider alternative airports. Major cities often have multiple airports, and flying into a less crowded or secondary airport can be cost-effective. Research transportation options from these airports to your final destination to ensure it's a convenient choice. 4. Use budget airlines. Europe has a thriving network of budget airlines like Ryanair, EasyJet, and Wizz Air. These carriers offer competitive fares, especially on shorter routes within Europe. While amenities may be limited, they can be a great option for saving money on air travel. 5. Book accommodations wisely. Accommodations can be a significant part of your budget. Consider staying in hostels, guest houses, or budget hotels. Websites like Hostelworld, Booking.com, and Airbnb can help you find affordable places to stay. Look for options with communal kitchens if you want to cook your meals. 6. Cook your meals or eat street food. Dining out for every meal can quickly add up. If your accommodation has kitchen facilities, buy groceries from local markets and cook some of your meals. Alternatively, explore street food options for affordable and delicious local cuisine. 7. Use public transportation. Public transportation in Europe is generally efficient and cost-effective. Purchase transportation passes or cards for cities where you plan to use public transit frequently. This can save you money compared to buying individual tickets. Trains and buses are often reliable and offer scenic routes, so consider them for intercity travel. 8. Walk and use free attractions. Walking is one of the best ways to explore European cities. It's not only budget-friendly, but also allows you to discover charming streets and hidden gems. Look for free or low-cost attractions, such as parks, markets, and walking tours, to get a taste of local culture without breaking the bank. 9. Travel light. Packing light not only saves you baggage fees on budget airlines, but also makes it easier to use public transportation like buses and trains. Traveling with a carry-on bag or a backpack can reduce your overall costs and increase mobility. 10. Get a city pass or museum pass. Many European cities offer city passes that grant you access to multiple attractions at a discounted rate. These passes often include public transportation, making them even more cost-effective. Similarly, some cities have museum passes that cover several museums and historical sites. 11. Use travel apps and discounts. Download travel apps like Skyscanner, Google Maps, and TripAdvisor to find deals on flights, accommodations, and activities. If you qualify, look for discounts such as student, youth, or senior rates for various services. 12. Stay in less touristy areas. Accommodations and dining in touristy areas are typically more expensive. Consider staying in neighborhoods where locals live to get a more authentic experience and potentially lower prices. Use public transportation or walk to reach the main attractions. 13. Travel with a group. Traveling with friends or family can help you split the costs of accommodations and transportation. Group discounts may also be available for guided tours or activities. Just be sure to plan together and consider everyone's budget and preferences. 14. Budget and monitor expenses. Create a detailed travel budget that includes all your expected expenses, from flights and accommodations to daily meals and activities. Stick to your budget by tracking your expenses using budgeting apps or spreadsheets. This will help you avoid overspending and make the most of your funds. 15. Learn basic phrases. Learning a few key phrases in the local language, such as greetings and polite expressions, can go a long way in Europe. Locals appreciate it when travelers make an effort to communicate in their language. This goodwill might lead to more helpful interactions and potentially some cost-saving tips from locals who know the best budget-friendly spots. 16. Explore city parks and gardens. Take full advantage of the serene ambiance provided by Europe's exquisitely maintained city parks and gardens, many of which offer free admission or have a nominal entrance fee. Whether you opt for a leisurely stroll, a delightful picnic, or simply a moment of relaxation, these green spaces provide a budget-friendly haven to escape the urban hustle and appreciate the local flora and fauna. Immersing yourself in these natural retreats not only offers a reprieve from bustling city life, but also provides a unique perspective on the culture and lifestyle of the locals who frequent these areas. 17. Utilize bike rentals for city exploration. Explore European cities at your own pace by taking advantage of the widespread bike-sharing programs available. Renting a bike not only proves to be an affordable option, but also presents an eco-friendly and healthy means of traversing city streets. Cruise through charming neighborhoods, visit iconic landmarks, and cover more ground than you would on foot. The accessibility and convenience of bike rentals add a dynamic and immersive element to your exploration, allowing you to absorb the city's ambiance with flexibility and spontaneity. 18. Embrace cultural exchange programs. Dive into the rich tapestry of local cultures by considering participation in cultural exchange programs or volunteer opportunities during your European sojourn. These experiences often provide accommodations and meals in exchange for your time and skills, presenting a unique and budget-friendly way to immerse yourself in the daily life of the community. Beyond the financial benefits, engaging in cultural exchange fosters meaningful connections, opens doors to authentic experiences, and allows you to contribute positively to the destinations you visit.
Hey, fellow travel enthusiasts, if you're eager to turn your wanderlust into reality, make sure to explore the goldmine of resources waiting for you in the video description below. I've curated a list of essential links, including budget-friendly airline options, trusted booking sites, a fantastic YouTube course to kickstart your own channel, and even recommendations for reliable travel insurance. Don't miss out on these valuable tools that can elevate your travel game. Simply scroll down and click those links to embark on your next adventure with confidence. Happy travels.
19. Opt for free walking tours. Enhance your understanding of European cities by opting for the enriching experience of free walking tours led by knowledgeable locals. These tours offer insights into the city's history, architecture, and culture without imposing a hefty financial burden. While the tours themselves are complimentary, consider expressing your appreciation by tipping your guide. This gesture not only acknowledges their efforts, but also contributes to the sustainability of this budget-friendly way to discover hidden gems and untold stories woven into the fabric of each city. 20. Leverage student and youth discounts. For individuals navigating the realms of academia or those carrying the exuberance of youth, the key to an enriching European sojourn lies in capitalizing on the multitude of discounts available. Dive into your journey with the confidence that museums, attractions, and transportation services are ripe with opportunities for substantial savings. Armed with your student ID or youth card, you possess a powerful tool akin to a golden ticket, opening doors to a world where prices are reduced and exclusive deals abound. Embark on your exploration of historical marvels or vibrant cityscapes with the mindset of a savvy traveler. At every twist and turn, be proactive in seeking out discounts, ensuring that you not only enjoy the full spectrum of cultural experiences, but also do so with a prudent eye on your budget. Exploring Europe on a budget is not only feasible, but also rewarding. By incorporating these tips into your travel plans, you can unlock the secrets of Europe without the financial strain. Whether you're indulging in affordable street food, strolling through charming neighborhoods, or taking advantage of city passes, there are countless ways to experience the richness of Europe without overspending. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. That way, you'll be the first to know when I post new videos.